Did you know that poor circulation in your legs could silently increase your risk of memory loss, painful cramps, and even dangerous blood clots? Have you ever noticed your feet feeling colder at night? Or your legs getting tired faster than they used to, even though you're doing your best to stay active? You might be eating well and walking regularly, but your blood vessels may be narrowing without you realizing it. Here's the surprising truth. 1 in 3 adults over 60 experiences reduced circulation in the legs, and it often goes undiagnosed. It can start with just a little tingling, then slowly lead to swollen ankles, restless sleep, and poor oxygen flow to the brain. But the good news is there are safe, natural ways to help your body fight back. In today's video, we'll show you 5 powerful science-backed vitamins that can gently improve circulation, reduce leg discomfort, and bring back strength, warmth, and clarity. Do your legs ever feel cold or tired? Let us know in the comments. Just type yes or no. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next senior health tip. Let's begin with the first vitamin. It might already be in your kitchen. 3 groups of nutrients to boost circulation. To make things even easier to remember, we've grouped these 5 powerful nutrients into 3 simple categories. Each one supports your circulation in a unique way, especially to your legs and feet, which are often the first to suffer when blood flow slows down. First, we'll cover nutrients that help expand and relax your blood vessels, allowing blood to reach even the most distant parts of your body. Then, we'll explore a natural compound that gently cleans your vessels and helps prevent dangerous clots. And finally, we'll highlight a key vitamin that rebuilds and strengthens the structure of your blood vessels so they can stay healthy for years to come. Let's start with the first category, the natural vessel expanders that bring back warmth to your toes and energy to your legs. 1. Vitamin B3, niacin, the natural vessel expander. What if opening up your blood vessels could be as easy as adding 1 simple vitamin to your routine? Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is one of the most effective nutrients for naturally widening your blood vessels, especially helpful if you're experiencing cold feet, tired legs, or numbness in your hands. As we age, our arteries tend to stiffen. Cholesterol buildup can narrow the pathways where blood is supposed to flow. That's where niacin comes in. It acts like a natural pipe expander, softening and relaxing the blood vessel walls to improve circulation. According to a Harvard study, seniors who took 500 milligrams of niacin daily for 12 weeks experienced a 35% increase in blood flow to the legs. Even more surprising, many reported fewer nighttime cramps and warmer feet after just a few weeks. Niacin also boosts your good HDL cholesterol, lowers your bad LDL cholesterol, and supports memory and brain function. Because better blood flow means better oxygen delivery to the brain. You can find niacin in foods like tuna, salmon, brown rice, lean chicken, mushrooms, and peanut butter. Or take it as a supplement. Just be aware it may cause a brief flushing or warming sensation on the face. That's normal, and actually a sign that it's working. Have you ever tried niacin before? How did it make you feel? Share your experience in the comments. So, if niacin helps open up the highways of your bloodstream, our next nutrient is like the street sweeper, cleaning out debris and helping everything flow smoothly. 2. Garlic extract, allicin, the natural blood cleanser. Can something as simple as garlic really compete with heart medication? Surprisingly, yes. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, which has been shown to lower blood pressure, prevent blood clots, and increase blood vessel flexibility, all essential for healthy circulation, especially as we age. A study from McMaster University in Canada found that older adults who took 600 milligrams of garlic extract daily experienced up to a 10% drop in systolic blood pressure. A big difference, especially for those struggling with hypertension. Garlic is also packed with antioxidants that help protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress and prevent LDL cholesterol from sticking to artery walls, one of the main causes of blockages and poor leg circulation. Many people report feeling lighter legs, less swelling, and more energy when walking after just a few weeks of adding garlic to their routine. The best way to consume garlic? Fresh crushed garlic, 1 to 2 cloves per day. Let it sit for 10 minutes after crushing to activate the allicin. Not a fan of the smell? No worries. Odorless garlic capsules, 300 to 600 milligrams, are a great alternative. Have you ever tried garlic supplements? Did you feel a difference? Comment yes or no and share your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Bonus tip: pair garlic with fish oil or vitamin E for even stronger antioxidant effects and smoother blood flow. Now that we've cleared the way with garlic, it's time to rebuild your blood vessels from the inside so they stay flexible, strong, and youthful. Let's explore the next vitamin your heart and legs will thank you for. 3. Vitamin C. Complex, collagen builder for vessels. Most people think vitamin C is just for boosting the immune system or fighting off colds. But did you know your arteries might love it even more? Vitamin C plays a vital role in producing collagen, the protein that gives your blood vessels their strength and flexibility. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your vessels together and keeps them elastic. As we age, especially after 60, our collagen production drops dramatically. This leads to micro tears in the vessel walls, which triggers inflammation and makes it harder for blood to flow smoothly. In fact, these tiny tears can silently contribute to high blood pressure and poor circulation in your legs. Vitamin C also works as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your arteries from oxidative stress and slowing down the stiffening process caused by aging and poor diet. For best results, focus on natural sources of vitamin C, camu, acerola cherry, citrus fruits, kiwi, and bell peppers. Blending them into smoothies helps increase absorption, especially when combined with healthy fats like avocado or flaxseed. Avoid synthetic forms like plain ascorbic acid tablets, which don't provide the full spectrum of the vitamin C complex. Do you take natural or synthetic vitamin C? Let's chat in the comments. Just type natural or synthetic and tell us why. Personal tip: I love adding a teaspoon of acerola powder to my morning smoothie. It gives a gentle tang and a big boost to my vessel health. So now your vessels are stronger, more flexible, and protected. But how can we make sure oxygen-rich blood reaches all the way down to your toes? Even with strong vessels, if blood can't move swiftly, it's like a city with wide roads but no cars. So let's discover the fuel that powers your circulation, one that literally fuels your blood flow. 4. Beetroot nitrate, the nitric oxide booster. Have you ever had a glass of beet juice and noticed your face feel warm or slightly flushed? That's not a coincidence. It's a sign that your blood vessels are opening up and circulation is improving. Beetroot is one of nature's most powerful sources of nitrates. When consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. This simple reaction leads to lower blood pressure, improved blood flow, and better oxygen delivery to your legs and feet. A study from the University of Exeter in the UK found that seniors who drank beetroot juice daily for just 14 days improved their walking distance and felt less fatigue in their legs. Beetroot also helps reduce leg cramps, cold toes, and ankle swelling, especially after long periods of sitting or standing. Plus, it supports heart health, muscle endurance, and even cognitive function. You can enjoy beetroot in a few easy ways: lightly steamed or roasted, as juice, or as a powder. Just 1 teaspoon in the morning mixed with water or lemon juice. Bonus: beets are rich in folate and betalains, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and keep your blood vessels healthy. I like mixing beetroot powder with lemon water and a pinch of sea salt. It's refreshing, energizing, and good for your heart. Do you eat beetroot at least once a week? Type beet fan if yes, or not yet if no. We'd love to hear from you. And now, let's talk about one often overlooked nutrient, one that may warm your toes faster than any thick socks ever could. 5. L-arginine. The amino acid your vessels crave. After age 60, your body starts producing less and less of a key molecule that your blood vessels rely on to stay open and healthy. That molecule is nitric oxide, and L-arginine is one of its most important building blocks. L-arginine is a natural amino acid that helps your blood vessels relax, widen, and stay flexible. This becomes even more important as we age, when circulation naturally declines. A study published in the International Journal of Cardiology showed that 3 grams of L-arginine per day significantly improved walking ability and reduced leg pain in patients with peripheral artery disease, PAD. It also helped lower diastolic blood pressure and improved oxygen flow to muscles. You can get L-arginine from foods like salmon, eggs, Greek yogurt, almonds, and peanuts. But here's the catch. It's hard to reach therapeutic levels from diet alone, so supplements are often recommended, especially for seniors. Most supplements come in 500 to 1,000 milligram doses and can be taken 2 to 3 times per day, ideally after meals. Important: don't exceed 6 grams per day, and avoid high doses if you have serious kidney or liver conditions. L-arginine works even better when combined with vitamin C or L-citrulline, as these boost nitric oxide levels and help your vessel stay open longer. Have you ever heard of L-arginine before? Would you be open to trying it now? Type yes or no in the comments. We'd love to know. Now that you've discovered the 5 vitamins that can truly transform your circulation, let's quickly wrap up with the key takeaways and how you can start applying them today. If you're over 60 and struggling with poor circulation, cold toes, or leg fatigue, these 5 powerful nutrients can help you feel lighter, warmer, and more in control of your health. Niacin to expand your vessels. Garlic to gently cleanse them. Vitamin C to rebuild strong vessel walls. Beetroot to boost nitric oxide L-arginine to keep blood flowing smoothly. And the best part? You don't need medications or complicated treatments. All it takes is the right knowledge, a few simple changes, and the willingness to take that first step. Someone you love might be experiencing these symptoms in silence. Share this video with them, just in case. Tell us in the comments, which vitamin surprised you the most today? We read every message and love hearing from you. And if you found this helpful, please tap the like button. It helps us reach more seniors like you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. We'll be sharing simple daily exercises to naturally improve blood flow and leg strength. Stay informed, stay active, stay strong. We'll see you in the next video.